What's going on, my wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video we're going to show you how you can make $200 per day for free with 2 smartphone apps that I just came across, and how you can start making money as soon as today.
Habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Alright, so let's get right into the goodness. Eric Ellis Jr. here. If you have not came across me before, or this is your first time stumbling across my channel, make sure you subscribe to join the family so I can help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. And also follow your boy on Instagram at Eric Ellis Jr. to follow the journey so I can help you and bring you with me to the top, right? Now, let's get right into the goodness. Found or stumbled across 2 apps. What my channel comes across is to teach people how to make extra money, to teach entrepreneurs how to live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. So whenever I stumble across something, I like to bring it to you guys, right? Especially if it's going to play a hefty role in the growth of your bank account. So with that being said, app number 1, or not app number 1, but the first one out of the 2 is American Consumer Opinion. And it's exactly what it sounds like. There's pluses and negatives. The positive side is that they simply pay you for your opinion. So if you like giving your opinion, me personally, I like giving it for free, right? I like telling people about themselves. If they're wearing something that doesn't look cool, I'll be like, yeah, you need something else, bro. Or if I like the movie, I like to share it with my Facebook and everything of that nature. Like, I naturally like to share things, so why not get paid to do it? And simply with American Consumer Opinion was pretty cool is that it's a smartphone app. Now, the only problem is that it is an iOS based app, meaning you can only use this if you have an iPhone. Team iPhone, baby. Hey, but at the end of the day, if you have an Android, no big deal. I have another app for you. But with that being said, for my iPhone users, make sure you guys go ahead and download American Consumer Opinion and give it a shot. I did not get any commissions for referring this. I simply came across it and wanted to share it to you guys, especially if you guys are looking to make extra dough. Now, with that being said, number 2 is called Panel Place. Panelplace. And this app is freaking kick-ass. Same similar concept. They pay you for your opinions. Now, the reason why this is important is because people value your opinion, right? At the end of the day, what they gather from this is they gather data. And with this data, there's 2 things. These people can optimize their actual apps, right, to make it better for the consumer, which the better it is, the better the word-of-mouth advertisement's gonna be, right? And it's going to give you the opportunity to try out these freaking things before they even hit the marketplace. So you get the opportunity to try things out before they even hit the market. And number 2, it gives you the opportunity to get paid for your freaking opinion. Imagine if you could go to movies, and if you went to the movies, even if you didn't like it, if you gave your freaking opinion, you got paid to do it. I mean, guys, look, at the end of the day, you have 2 options. You either have a smartphone or a dumb phone, right? Smartphone, this thing right here, smartphones make money, right? Just like smart people make more money than dumb people. It is what it is. Even though somebody like myself who's high school educated and who does not have a college degree, can travel full time. I don't know if you guys can see in the, let me see if I can show you guys. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see it in the back, but I'm in the Philippines right now, mountains, beautiful view. Even I can succeed in this type of industry, so can you, right? I do something called affiliate marketing, right? That's the 3rd method, which I would recommend if you're looking to make $200 per day and get results a lot quicker. Now, at the end of the day, these smartphone apps are great as beginner startup income, but you won't be able to make a full-time freaking income. And what I mean by full-time is one where you can live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. Meaning, if you want to travel, it costs money, right? I'm staying at a resort right now, it costs money. But at the end of the day, as long as I have Wi-Fi connection, I can work. With affiliate marketing, you refer products. You simply have an affiliate link that these companies give to you. Once you refer these products, they pay you commissions. It's the same kind of aspect with the you giving your opinion, but instead of giving your opinion with affiliate marketing, you're giving your reference. So imagine getting paid, right, every time you refer to a movie because you like the movie. And let's just say somebody went to the movie, they went ahead and actually purchased a ticket. My question to you is, did you get paid every time you referred something and that person actually bought? Like if you told your friend, hey, I just got these new pair of shoes, they're kick ass, you should go ahead and cop them, and they bought those shoes, did you get paid a commission? Well, the affiliate marketing is simply that. You can go ahead and literally refer things like shoes or like phone cases or headphones. Me personally, I prefer to do digital products because they have larger profit margins, and you can simply refer products and get paid for your opinion as well, right? If you're willing to stand behind a brand or a product and you truly believe in it, all you have to do is learn how to build a following. It's very simple. Build a following, people who know, like, and trust you, refer products, and then when you refer those products, you get paid commissions. You're doing it for free anyways. Why not get paid doing it? The same thing, smartphone apps. You're giving your opinion, so why not take surveys and get paid? Now, if you don't want to go that route, affiliate marketing, you're already referring things all the time. Why not get paid to do it? Simple. And if you don't know about affiliate marketing, I actually have an ebook called Affiliates Playbook. Link in the description. Bonus for you. And if you're extremely serious, make sure to cop that ebook. But if you're extremely serious, I actually have a course called Jumpstart Affiliate. Link below. I have students who are crushing it, making full-time incomes, who are traveling the world like myself. And my goal is to help you do the same thing. Live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. So with that being said, my friend, cop the ebook, cop the course, try the apps, whichever route you want to go. But at the end of the day, my goal for you, my friend, is to live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. So that way you can travel the world. So that way you don't have to live a life of corporate slavery behind a cubicle for a boss that you don't like, who devalues you, who doesn't even believe you're competent or capable of performing set tasks or elevating within your industry. You are way more above that freaking stupid ass 9 to 5. You are above it, my friend. The question is, when are you gonna realize that, and when are you going to take freaking action? Now, with that being said, I appreciate you guys for consuming this content. Try out those freaking apps. Cop that ebook, cop the course if you're really serious. Make sure to drop a comment below of any thoughts, comments, or concerns. Make sure to punch that freaking like button in the damn face to show your boy some love. Now with that being said, subscribe, join the fam. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.